No money, no money, no honey, no honey, ma. Okay, but let's be real. If you are broke, forget about honey, even survival gets hard. Think about this scenario. You get paid, you feel rich for a few days, and then boom, the money's gone. And the worst part is you don't even know where it went. Okay, if you think that this is happening just only for you, you are wrong. Because every one of us, including me, facing this problem every single month. Yeah, if you are working in corporate, of course, it's normal. But in some way, I learned how to manage it. If you are stuck in this cycle, please watch until the end of this video because I am sharing my personal expense tracker. I don't say it's a very basic version. I am giving you an advanced personal income and expense tracker, and also there's an additional thing that has is like you can even predict the upcoming month. So let's see how I did it, and also I'll be definitely sharing the download guide in the end of this video. What to expect in this video? First of all, if you want to become a millionaire or billionaire and you want to become very super rich and coming to this video and expecting that from me, you're wrong. You are in a wrong place. Just skip this video and go for another video. There are a lot of videos about it. Anyways, I'm not going to make anything about becoming rich, but this video is about how to fix your personal finance, the personal finance management. Okay, and also one more thing, this video is dedicated for the person who is in the zero level, and I can help them to get from 0 to 1. And one more disclaimer, I am also learning, I am also still learning, so I am also trying to get myself from 1 to the next levels. But again, I can help you to come to the level that I am in. So that's what I'm doing, because this disclaimer is must, because people think that like, okay, this guy is who the guy, how he can teach me personal finance. Okay, let's see how I'm going to do it. Before we get into the money management, let's address the first question you might have. Why am I even talking about this? Who am I to talk about this? What is the experience I have? Okay, I totally agree. I am not a certified financial expert. Of course, I'm not. And I am not a billionaire or millionaire. Of course, I'm not. But for the last 3 years, as a 20-year-old, 20 plus, 21 plus, of course, as a 21 plus year old, for the last 3 years, 3.5 years, yeah, I am making money for myself, plus I am taking care of my family, taking care of my rent, travel, food, and also education and my work, business expenses. So this experience taught me something. So I'm sharing that something with you all. That's it. Because, earlier when I was starting, I just only know about saving, spending, and making money. Only these 3 options. But there are few things apart from it. There are few things you need to know apart from it. Okay? In the world, you don't need to be a millionaire or a billionaire to take care of your money. Even as a middle class or even lower class personalities, to get to the next level, if you want to step into the next move, of course we need to master on money. We need to play more with the money. Okay, I would say it's a play. Okay, so that's how I started to play. When I was starting, I was just spending whatever the income I'm getting, and then I started to save some money, and then I started to spend the savings on some shits. So yeah, things happened, but it's been like 3.5 years and still I'm growing. That's it. So let's see what are the major learnings I learned in this journey. Hope it helps you. Okay, track every single rupee you spend. Yeah, You need to track every single rupee you are spending, and also you need to track every single rupee you are making. Yeah, both are very very important. Some people just track the expenses. I'm spending this, but they forget to track about the income. Okay, so why we need to do it? Number one, most people don't know where the money goes. If you want to manage money and if you want to grow your money, of course you need to first know what is the exact amount of money you have, and how it's being processed and how it's being spent. Okay, so without knowing that, you can't do anything. So first you need to know where the money goes. Number two is, it's like this, people think that tracking these expenses as another huge work. You need to be you need to have a financial advisor. No. Number one, you can have a simple notebook to write everything, and if you are good at computer, you can use even Google Sheets. Gmail is free. Google Sheets, it's a free option. You can still make your sheet, and as I told before, I'll be sharing my expenses tracker in the end of this video, so you can even get that and just duplicate the template and use it. Simple. I am not only the person who is sharing this template and all. Even if you go YouTube, there are a lot of personalities, they share their personal expense tracker. You can just copy it and use it. Simple. And then I believe on habits over motivation. Okay, why? Bro, I'm so motivated. Why are you saying like this? What is this habits? You know, motivation comes and goes. I get motivated so many times to make videos, but habit is something keeping me running. Habit is something keeping myself doing the videos every single Monday. 2.15, which means 2:15, I come up with a new video and I just publish it. I may be scheduling, I may be publishing on that time, I don't know that, but end of the day, you will watch the video on Monday. So this is a habit I am following. So likewise, in terms of money, you should have habits. Okay, so for this, what I did is, I printed something like this for myself. Okay, what is this? Okay, this is a reminder for myself. Every single day I look into it. Okay, what did I wrote in this? Let me read it. Hey Dasa, it's not easy, but nothing worth it ever is. Every rupee saved, every debt paid, it's one step closer. Stay focused, you have got this. And to be free from debt, to feel stable, not stressed about money, to build the life I've always wanted for me, her, and my family. So, yours Tashantan from 2024. I have made this on 2024. Still, this is with me, and also a few things, the percentage and some habits, my daily rules habit, weekly habits. So let me know if you want this in the comments. I'll be sharing with you. And then yeah, so this is what I'm saying: track every spend, track every rupee you spend. Okay, now let's move to the number 2 part. Stop fake rich lifestyle. Okay, bro, what am I saying, bro? Fake it till you make it. Yeah, I trust on fake it till you make it, but in terms of finance, in terms of money, I don't think so you can do it, because you need to have money to spend money. Without having money, don't just keep spending money. Simple. And I see a lot of people, just because of this social media content and all, they want to become millionaires, billionaires, the luxury lives that showed in the social media. But I have met so many millionaires and just one billionaire. Okay, I can't lie, because millionaire and billionaire, it's like a totally different thing. Let me explain what it is also. But I have met a millionaire lot of millionaires. I never seen a millionaire who keeps says their self as millionaire, and also they don't have a rich lifestyle like you see in the social media. They are very simple in terms of the outfit, gadget, or anything. They are simple. They just invest on the things that actually can make money for themselves. But you know what the people doing from on the public perspective? They just look at it and just buy it for no reason. They don't even know why that guy purchased that, and these guys just, I don't know. I don't know. So what I'm saying here is, they have money, we don't. So let's think about making money rather than improving your lifestyle. And you know, one more thing, when your income is increasing, do not improve your lifestyle. This is another huge learning I learned in my life, because when I get more income, when I get more money, more salary or anything, I just start to improve my lifestyle. Shirts, watches, gadgets, everything. But stop it. Stop it, stop it, stop it. Please don't do it. Save money, and invest the savings on something good, something that actually can make money for you in the long term run, not in the short term. And yeah, millionaire versus billionaire. I've seen so many people, they say as, I'm a millionaire, I know billionaires, okay? But millionaire, let's look at it in a different perspective with an example. A million seconds is equal to 11.5 days, okay? Mark the words. But a billion seconds is equal to 31 years. I think I don't have to say anything more. You may know the difference between the million and billion. And don't go behind the people who just keep shitting on social media as saying, I'm a millionaire, I'm a billionaire, I can buy you this, I can do this, that. The real rich never do it, okay? And they are busy with their work. You also get busy with your work and build a lifestyle you want. Don't just run behind these kind of shits, okay? I'm not advising, but take it as a friend. Take it something in a friendly manner. So you may analyze it and let me know if I'm telling something wrong. Let me know, okay? I'm fine. I'm still learning. I'm fine to learn from you, no problem. Budgeting made simple. Okay, now we talked about like the money mindset and everything, but how to budget your money? I personally do it in a simple way, 50-30-20 rule. 50% of my income goes for the needs, rents, bill, food, and of course this happens if you have a lot of responsibility, and I think I do have a responsibility on my family, on my personal things as well. 50% for the needs, on the rent, and also on the family expenses, on the food and everything, the traveling, these kind of things. And 30% for the wants in the sense, the extra things, the shopping, travel, fun, these kind of things. And the rest of the 20% is must. I'll keep it on savings and investments, okay? And people ask me, okay bro, where I can invest, bro? And people ask me about trading, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency and stuffs. The only reply I can give them is, I never did it, and I am not good at it, and also I don't want to try it, because I have a moral that I am a person who want to work, get sweat, and then make money from it. I think that's the way I am mostly passionate on. It's up to the personalities, I don't know, but this is my perspective. That's how I look at this, especially on the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency stuffs, okay? I don't invest on those kind of internet currencies. I never do it, okay? I believe on sweating every single day and making money from it, okay? And I value my every single minute, seconds, hours. Okay, let's go for it. Step 4, earn more, not just save. Okay, This is something I learned, by the way, and you know, earlier when I was in the mid of these 3 years, I stopped spending a lot and I started to save. But I was only saving that money is there, and if there is a huge need, I'll spend on it, and then the money goes. This was happening again. So then I thought I'm making a huge mistake. That is, I only focused on just saving the money rather than making more money. So that's the thing. You need to make more money before you think about savings. Okay, more money in the sense, what is the budget? So if you're making 30,000 today, just keep your target as making 60,000 and then grow it slowly. How I did is, I was calculating on the digits. First my digits was 5 and then 6, and then I want to improve it to the 7. So that's how it grows, right? So I calculate it in the digit basis. It's up to the personalities. Think about it. So to make money, there are a lot of ways. Of course, I am also talking about all the money making areas in my previous videos. You can go to my channel and refer to any of the videos. And also, I'm not telling you to just to stick on my channel. Go to other channels as well. Search online the ways to make money and get yourself skilled on something. Of course, that skill will bring you more money. Okay, so I think now finally the free expense tracker. Okay, how you can download it? Simple. Go to my Instagram, follow my page, and there is a link in my bio. Click on it and go download it. And you can download it, even duplicate the template and use it. Simple. So it's just a simple tip. And then in the template you can just track your incomes, spends, and also you can track your debts. And yeah, so if you need a full guide on that expense tracker, let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to make that video as well. Okay, so end of this video, what we have talked is track your money, so you know every rupee, how it's being spent and how it's being earned. Okay, and then stop fake rich lifestyle. Please stop it before making any number of money. Please stop it. Okay, and then budget smartly. 50 30 20 rule. I mean, that's not a compulsory. You can even go for 50 30 50 20 30 as well, no problem. You can it's up to you. I don't involve in that. And then earn more, not just save. So don't just save your money, think about improve your earnings. Okay, these are the lot of things I learned, by the way, and there are a lot more things to share in terms of money. Of course, we get a lot of experiences. Maybe I'll do the next video if I get a good response from this video. I'll definitely do another video on this. So that's it for this video. I'll see you on next Monday. Until then, goodbye. Yours Dashantan.